friends, today, dadalhin ko kayo sa Sagamihara Vending Machine Park in Kanagawa, Japan. Do you like burger, siomai, toast sandwich, cup noodles? You will find a lot of different kinds of food here, such as soba, udon, and many more. This is the largest vending machine park in Sagamihara. You will find about 100 vending machines here. You can also find food that were produced by famous chefs. May chashu. They also have gacha gacha. Do you like gacha gacha? They also have different kinds of ice cream. Do you like ice cream? What flavor do you like? This place has a retro vibe feel, so sigurado akong mag-e-enjoy kayo when you come here. Cameraが見えない。そばにした。そば。もうくるくるくるくるくる。おお。わーお。美味しそう。
食べたいです。
We saw this bread shop on our way here, so we decided to stop by and get their famous curry pan. This one. It was delicious. Friends, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please like and subscribe to help me grow my channel, and hit the bell to notify you of our new video. Thank you for watching, and mata ne!